Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can modify SSD storage settings for Provisioned IOPS. You can modify the settings for a DB instance that uses Provisioned IOPS SSD storage by using the Amazon RDS console. Specify the storage type, allocated storage, and the amount of Provisioned IOPS that you require. You can choose from a range between 1000 IOPS and 100 GB of storage up to 80,000 IOPS and 64 terabytes of storage. The range depends on your database engine and instance type. Although you can reduce the amount of IOPS provisioned for your instance, you can't reduce the amount of general purpose SSD or magnetic storage allocated. In most cases, scaling storage doesn't require any outage and doesn't degrade performance of the server. After you modify the storage IOPS for a DB instance, the status of the DB instance is storage optimization. To change the provisioned IOPS settings for a DB instance, in the navigation pane, choose databases. Choose the database that you want to modify the provisioned IOPS. Choose modify. In the modify DB instance page, scroll down this page. In the storage section, for instance type, you need to select provisioned IOPS SSD. For allocated storage, minimum you need to 100 GB allocate. For provisioned IOPS, I am allocating 1000 IOPS for this demo. Storage size minimum 100 GB, maximum 16 terabytes you need to allocate. Provisioned IOPS minimum 1000 IOPS, maximum 2,56,000 IOPS need to allocate. Scroll down this page and choose continue. In the summary of modification, you can validate the current value and the new value. For settling up modification section, choose apply immediately and then choose modify DB instance. Now database status is modifying state. Now DB instance status is changed from modifying to storage optimization. Now DB instance state is changed from storage optimization to available state. For verifying the storage type and allocated storage, choose database instance. In the DB instance page, choose configuration tab and scroll down. In the storage section, you can see storage type under storage IOPS and storage size. For deleting a DB instance, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.